Namaste. I, Nishtha, Social Awareness Captain of the school, welcome you all in the morning assembly of St. Vivekanand Millennium School at Township, Pinjore. Today is 26th February 2022. Firstly, I would like to invite our Sanskrit teacher, Acharya Sunil Gautam, to share today's Panchang with us. Namaste, sir.
नमस्ते। आज के पंचांग के अनुसार विक्रमी संवत 2078 शक संवत 1943 आज फाल्गुन माह के कृष्ण पक्ष की दशमी तिथि है, जो कि प्रातः 10 बजे तक रहेगी। उसके बाद एकादशी तिथि आरंभ हो जाएगी। कहने का अभिप्राय यह है कि गृहस्थों के लिए एकादशी का व्रत आज ही है। आज का नक्षत्र मूल, आज का योग सिद्धि है। प्रविष्टि की यदि बात करें तो आज फाल्गुन माह के 14 प्रविष्टे घटित हो रहे हैं। मुस्लिम माह रजब की आज 25 तारीख है। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, sir. It's time to start the prayer, so I request you all to close your eyes and join your hands for the prayer.
All classes, be ready for Gayatri Mantra. All classes, be ready for prayer.
There shall be showers of blessing. This is the promise of love. There shall be seasons refreshing, sent from the Savior above. Showers of blessing, showers of blessing we need. Mercy drops round us are falling, but for the showers we plead. There shall be showers of blessing. This is the promise of love. There shall be seasons refreshing, sent from the Savior above. Showers of blessing, showers of blessing we need.
अस्तो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय ॐ शान्ति 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 ॐ. Be ready for national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
भारत माता की जय. भारत माता की जय. भारत माता की जय. वंदे मातरम. वंदे मातरम. वंदे मातरम.
Now, it's time to chant shlokas from Srimad Bhagavad-Gita, which you can see on your screen. So I request you all to listen carefully and speak together with our Sanskrit teacher.
मत्तः परतरं नान्यत् किञ्चिदस्ति धनञ्जय मयि सर्वमिदं प्रोतं सूत्रे मणिगणा इव तस्मात् सर्वेषु कालेषु मामनुस्मरयुध्य च मय्यर्पितमनो बुद्धिर्मामे वैश्यस्य संशयम् मयाध्यक्षेण प्रकृतिः सूयते सचराचरम् हेतूनानेन कौन्तेय जगद्विपरिवर्तते महर्षयः सप्त पूर्वे चत्वारो मनवस्तथा मद्भावा मानसा जाता येषां लोक इमा प्रजा दिवि सूर्यसहस्रस्य भवेद्युगपदुत्थिता यदि भासदृशी सा स्यात् भासस्तस्य महात्मनः संनियम्येन्द्रियग्रामं सर्वत्र समबुद्धय ते प्राप्नुवन्ति मामेव सर्वभूतहिते रता.
Now, I would like to invite Namanpreet Kaur of Class 6B to tell us about the divisibility rules. Namaste, Namanpreet.
Namaste, respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. Today, I, Namanpreet of Class 6B, is going to share a very unique and helpful rules of maths with you all, which can be useful at every step of our life. That is divisibility rules. Mathematics is not easy for some of us. At times, the need for tricks and shorthand techniques is felt. A divisibility rule is a shorthand and useful way of determining whether a given integer is divisible by a fixed divisor without performing the division, usually by examining its digits. So the rules are like this. Every number is divisible by 1. Divisibility rule for 1 does not have any condition. If a number is even or a number whose last digit is an even number, example 2, 4, 6, 8 including 0, it is always completely divisible by 2. Divisibility rule for 3 states that a number is completely divisible by 3 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. If the last 2 digits of a number are divisible by 4, then that number is a multiple of 4 and is divisible by 4 completely. Numbers which last with digits 0 or 5 are always divisible by 5. Numbers which are divisible by both 2 and 3 are divisible by 6. That is, if the last digit of the given number is even and the sum of its digit is a multiple of 3, then the given number is also a multiple of 6. If the last three digits of a number are divisible by 8, then the number is completely divisible by 8. The rule for divisibility by 9 is similar to the divisibility rule for 3. That is, if the sum of digits of the number is divisible by 9, then the number itself is divisible by 9. Divisibility rule for 10 states that any number whose last digit is 0 is divisible by 10. I hope you will find them helpful and beneficial in your academics and daily life. Thank you.
Thank you, Namanpreet. Now, I would like to invite Divyansh of class 9 to share a motivational thought of Swami Vivekanand. Namaste, Divyansh.
Namaste, I am Divyansh, student of class 9A of St. Vivekanand Millennium School. Today, I am going to share the thought of Swami Vivekanand with you. Hope you will definitely think about this. The thought is as follows. Youth is someone who has power in their hands, speed in their movement, energy in their heart, and dreams in their eyes. I repeat the thought. Youth is someone who has power in their hands, speed in their movement, energy in their heart, and dreams in their eyes. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Divyansh. Now, it's time to wish our birthday students. Today is the birthday of Janvi Pandey of Plus 2 Medical, Shivam of 3rd B, and Oja Jaiswal of KGA. Let's wish them by singing the birthday song. So I request you all to sing with us and bless the students.
सागर में एक लहर उठी तेरे नाम की, तुम्हें मुबारक खुशियाँ सालों साल की। सागर में एक लहर उठी तेरे नाम की, तुम्हें मुबारक खुशियाँ सालों साल की। तुमको है जीवन में बढ़ते ही जाना, तुमको है जीवन में बढ़ते ही जाना। तुम हो सुंदर बूंद उसके नाम की, तुम हो सुंदर बूंद उसके नाम की। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
Thank you all for showering your blessings. For more information regarding the school, don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. That's it in today's assembly. Take care of yourself. Have a great day. Namaste.